Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by placing one high-contrast card 8-12 inches from the baby's face. This distance matches newborn focal ability and encourages tracking. Use a steady hand and let the infant fixate for 5-10 seconds, then pause. This prevents overstimulation. Rotate a second card after a brief rest. You want short, repeated exposures because repetition reinforces visual preference and neural pathways. Once done, note the baby's gaze and any turning response to guide your next set. Once the baby reliably fixates, present a sequence of 2-4 cards, alternating bold shapes and patterns to maintain interest. Move each card slowly across a 5 to 10 degree arc. This gentle motion trains smooth pursuit and early tracking. Start horizontal, then try vertical. Narrate softly to draw attention and observe micro-movements. Quick saccades, prolonged fixation, or following. Make sure to end each card after a few successful follows, so the baby stays engaged rather than fatigued. You conclude by gradually reducing stimulation. Close with a favorite card and stop when the baby shows fussiness. Limit sessions to 3-5 minutes. Record objective responses like gaze duration, smoothness of tracking, and any asymmetry between eyes to monitor progress. If the infant shows minimal or no tracking, simplify to one high-contrast image held centrally and try again. If no improvement across sessions, make sure to consult your pediatrician, because persistent non-tracking can signal the need.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.